Sabko namaste. This is Vuruthong from Nagaland. Today I stand here with a rage in my heart to address the issue on this unemployment. To begin with, as per the report from CMIE, the unemployed rate of our country stands at 7.8, which means approximately 55.2 million people from this country are left without jobs. And yet, our government keeps on claiming that India is progressing. Progressing only in paper but not in reality. Since childhood, we were told that education is the key to success. But look, today, where are we now? Holding a degree in hand, standing in the endless line in search of handful of jobs. Look at young men and women of this country who are fleeing abroad in search of opportunities. Is this the future we are promised for? 10 years ago, BJP party came saying, "Har sal 2 crore Nagaland denge." But yet, the only thing that we got was 2 crore of their fake speeches, 2 crore of their fake agendas and propagandas. And yet, on top of this, while unemployment is the serious issue of this country, all leaders are busy renaming the names of all cities, busy renaming the names of all stations, deciding whether to eat or ban beef while not focusing on solving the core issues of this problem. They talk about Startup India, but tell me, how can a youth in this country start a business when small-scale industries are being crushed under high taxation? They preach about Atmanirbhar Bharat, yet all small-scale industries are being crushed by goods and service tax and a high red tapes. They preach about Achedin Ange, but look, Achedin has arrived only to Ampanis, only to Atanis, only to BJP political families. Millions of people in this country are still waiting for that Achedin. Something that will never happen as long as this BJP regime exists. Today, they keep on defending themselves that India is the fastest growing economy. But Honorable Prime Minister Modi and his party must understand that the true success of this nation is not calculated only by GDP alone, but it is also calculated by the dignity of the workers and, most importantly, the opportunities that it provides to the youth of this country. And so, the youth of this country are frustrated being called as educated unemployed youth. So they are taking themselves into trucks, they are leading themselves into addiction, but yet the government still chose to remain silent. Let me take you back to the time when India was still fading its wind, when India needed scientists and engineers. We created IITs. Today IIT created its global company.